Are you searching for the best electric thickness planer? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best electric thickness planer in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. New electric thickness planer. High-quality 13-inch widened work table. Plain boards up to 6-inch thick and 13-inch wide. Easily adjusted tables and extensions for cot planer with table pull-out extensions, supplying 35-inch of total length for better support on the long stock. Precision machined cast iron bed and steel plate assist in keeping boards flat. Get your boards cut the way you want in no time. High-precision 3-knife cutter. The bench planer features a quick change, solid steel 3-knife cutter head, assuring smooth and consistent performance for long life. After quenching and hardening, the hardness reaches HRC 5560, which is desirable and durable. 2 speeds at will. Control how fast you cut with ease. 2 speeds offer quick planing to thickness at 24 mm, or slower 15 mm, for a smooth finish on the figured stock with minimal to no tear out. You can change feed speed to optimize cuts according to work needs. Material removal gauge and extra-large thickness scale deliver accurate cuts with every pass. An unstoppable 2,000-watt motor. The 203,500 RPM motor of the planer provides one of the finest finishes of any portable planer. For additional security, the built-in 20-amp overcurrent protector will automatically cut off the power supply, and the total current exceeds 20 amps. Low dust planing features a vacuum port for convenient dust collection. The chip ejection can be connected with a vacuum cleaner to chip off the cutter head, expelling chips from the machine.